Excuse me. He's about to slide. Thank you.
Today's video is going to be a day in the life of. You're gonna see what I do throughout the day and what I do throughout the night. You guys already saw my morning routine, so if you haven't seen that video before, check that one out. So let's get into it. So it's 9:35 and Milani is taking her nap. Now is when I clean up because there's stuff everywhere. And then the kitchen. So today's video is going to be my day routine. There goes it.
Little whiskers. Little whiskers.
You never spoke publicly about the whole deal.
Little whiskers. Little whiskers.
Whispers. He chose to leave the university.
Little whiskers.
Cat had whiskers.
Me I try to figure out how to work now. This camera.
Real quickly discovered the softer side of his new store running after Phillips faced the consequences of his troubles in Nebraska. 23 days in jail. First time I
Alright, so. that part.
Phillips discovered that he hid his shoe was missing. He believed it was taken by one of the kids. Oh my God.
That's true. So that's what we took my money and he swore it and hit the stick.
Oh my God.
I hit the hood of the car and I hit the windshield of the car and I was bleeding.
So he's driving a car around the field and aiming for kids.
Yes.
Your teammate, Ben Kingston, now Illinois, talked to the officer who caught up with him. It was OLP. I arrested him. And then he started telling me more about it. He goes, when he got out of his car, I could tell something was not right with him mentally. As Phillips awaited trial in the LA County lockup, remarkably, he started writing love letters in near perfect penmanship to the woman he nearly killed.
So we are at the park. We're out of 30 minutes late. It is actually 12:30. Hope you guys can see it. Maybe not. It's 12:30 and I normally like to reach. I normally like getting to the park at 12 o'clock sharp. But we're 30 minutes late. I'm about to go take Milani out, strap her on, and then we're gonna go to the park. Let me show you the park really quickly. Okay, Milani. Kai, and my name is Kai. Excuse me. He's about to slide. Thank you. I like to spend about an hour and 20 minutes at the park because I find that, Kai, what is it? I like to spend about an hour and 20 minutes at the park because I found that that is my sweet spot. That is the spot where I know that both Milani and Kai will definitely fall asleep. 5 to 10 minutes I use to get them strapped in, get them their juice, get them their extra snacks, and sit and chill before I drive back home. And probably on the drive home they will definitely fall asleep, and if they don't fall asleep by the time I drive home, I normally drive around the block a few times and then I take them home. So I'm feeding Milani, as you can see. She's strapped in and she started to cry, so I'm feeding her like this, and Kai is drinking some water. I'm about to take out his goldfish and get it to him. So I like these cups because they're able to stick their hands inside and eat. Here, Papa. Give her one. It fell. Give her another one. Thank you. As you can see, I live in hot ass. Let me turn up the AC. Sorry, it's gonna get a bit noisy because the AC is pretty loud. I live in hot ass Florida, so this is why I always have my natural hair out, no makeup on, just chilling and living life. Because if I was to get fake up and makeup and all that, everything would sweat off and I wouldn't be comfortable. So yeah. There's an older lady out here putting on her skating on, getting it in. Love to see it. Totally forgot to clean these kids' hand off before they started. Hands cut. Other one. Other hand. Give her another one, Papa. Thank you. So Kai is sleeping and I'm at Chick-fil-A. He's knocked out. Look at that. Yay, me. Go me. Unfortunately, Milani is very much up. Still. Say hi, Mama. When she goes to sleep, then I will definitely show you guys. I'm in Chick-fil-A line waiting for our food. Sure by the time I come out this line, Milani will probably be sleeping.
So after I take these kids inside, I like to take out their bottles and stuff and refill them with juice and milk and put their snacks and stuff that they didn't eat back into the fridge for when they wake up. When they wake up, they normally get a bottle of juice or a bottle of milk, and then I start making dinner. So this is the time of the day where I normally grab something to eat and I'll watch an episode or two of something. Sometimes I actually don't watch anything and I don't chill. I get straight into editing a video or editing my Instagram pictures or scheduling videos for YouTube or scheduling pictures for Instagram, or I'm actually filming videos and filming content. Or sometimes I'm simply doing schoolwork, which is what I will be doing after this. So I was saying how I'm not going to have any classes this summer, and it's going to be the first summer in a long time since I had a summer off from school. Well, God laughed in my face because I actually have one more classes to get my degree, and that's what I am doing. This is the last class. This is statistics and probabilities, and this class is actually kicking my butt. This class is super duper hard. The formulas are complex. To work out these problems take up so much time and so long. So I'm pushing through, hoping I pass and get a good grade because, baby, I need my degree. I'm tired of being in school. Even though I'm still not finished, I actually have another degree that I need to get. I'm not going to be finished with school until next year around this time. So, neither here nor there, I'll get it done, but that's what I'm doing today. I'm doing schoolwork. So since the babies are up and they got their bottle, Kai got his juice, Melanie got a bottle of milk. This is when I like to get what they're gonna eat prepared. So, and I used to actually meal prep Kai's food like every Sunday a weekend. I like every Sunday prepare multiple different meals for during the week, but I stopped doing that a long time ago. So now Kai eats what we eat, or we make him something that we know he's going to eat because he is a very picky eater, which a lot of kids his age are very picky. He loves shrimp and he loves yellow rice, and he actually ate this, and that's that. So quick, simple, and easy. Milani is also going to eat the same thing. I just made sure the rice is cooked really soft, so I know that Milani can actually eat it. So a lot of the times, if I don't make anything, I'll feed Milani these pre-packaged stuff from Gerber. She loves them. They're really good, and she has completely transitioned over to drinking milk. I don't know what is wrong with this camera, but while they're eating, hi everybody, I like to go in, find her clothes, what she's gonna put on when she's done eating. Probably a onesie. Get Kai's shirt.
So yeah.
So while they're eating, I actually like to prepare their bath and prepare their clothing, which you've seen before in the other clip. But I prepare their bath while they're eating. It's just easier for me because Milani is watching TV and Kai is probably on his tablet, watching something on his tablet. And I normally make sure I bathe Milani first. Milani tend to get very, very dirty when she eats because she plays in the food and spill it everywhere. So she normally is the first one that gets in the shower. So while I get Milani ready for her bath, or I'm giving her a bath and getting her clothes put on and stuff, Kai will normally come and see what I'm doing, or he will be finishing eating up his food or his dinner. after I give the kids a shower, make sure they have their dinner. This is where I probably take a glass of wine or some drink or something. And this is now where I chill a bit, and I probably wait on Babe to get done doing what he's doing so we can eat dinner together. Normally, Babe is the one that makes dinner because he is home now. He's working from home. So that is something I don't have to worry about now. But if it was my day to cook, I'll definitely cook. Normally, he asks for something specific that I have to make, and I'll cook sometimes. But majority of the time, he cook. And here's my shrimp scampi, which you guys will see in next week's video, a full recipe. So stay tuned for that one. So both the babies are sleeping. Both of my kids are light sensitive and sound sensitive. And even if you're a mom, you know that kids get up as soon as they hear a pin drop. So I'm definitely not going to go in, turn on the light, disturb them for you guys to see them. But they are asleep, as you guys can see. If you guys want a mom hack video, please comment in the comment section and I'll definitely drop that for you guys. Now is where I actually go take a bath, do my skincare and all of that. So both the babies are sleeping. Now is when I go take a shower and do my skincare and all of that. So I'm gonna end this vlog and this day in the life of. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.